15 years. It's hard to believe. For a moment, it feels like yesterday, and yet sometimes it feels like a lifetime ago when Space Coast Health Foundation became an organization in Brevard County. It was October 10th of 2010, and the former Wusthof Health System Board of Directors made a decision to start Space Coast Health Foundation.
We knew it wasn't going to be easy, so we started a listening tour with our partners in the community to learn more about what the needs were for Brevard County.
It began in a little house with transitioning from a health system to a foundation. We started by exploring the healthcare needs of Brevard County to create a foundation that could make a difference and an impact.
In 2011, we assumed the operations of the Children's Advocacy Center of Brevard.
The Children's Advocacy Center of Brevard operated under Wusthof Health Systems from the early 1980s until 2011. We advocate for child safety, therapeutic services, and justice for our most vulnerable population, our children. The partnership with the foundation adds stability for the Children's Advocacy Center so we can continue to provide services for years to come.
We spent the first 4 years transitioning from the health system, exploring other foundations, and determining what our foundation would look like. In addition to the research, we worked at developing the mission, vision, and values to create the foundation.
A lot of things happened very quickly after those listening tours, and we learned the needs of our community. We started funding things in the areas of access to care and dental and behavioral health. We also started doing education sessions on healthcare reform. We very quickly outgrew our space.
From our research, we started the Primary Care Task Force, the Dental Task Force, and the Behavioral Health Task Force because they were the #1 needs in our community.
Also around that time, we began our Picket Responsive grant process. This was a grant process that we rolled out to our community, allowing grant partners or community partners to apply for grants for funding between $2,000 and $20,000. Through that process, over a 10-year period, we supported 63 organizations with over 110 grants totaling more than $2 million.
In 2017, the foundation took on one of its biggest initiatives by acquiring Family Counseling Center, known today as Lifetime Counseling Center. It was a big endeavor, but the board agreed it was an important community health initiative for Brevard County.
So we were aware of the foundation's commitment to behavioral health, and we needed stronger financial stability. So becoming part of the foundation just made sense at the time. But what we got in the end was way more than the stability we were looking for. Being part of the foundation gave us the opportunity to expand our services well beyond what we would have been able to do on our own. So to date, since 2017, we've not only been able to provide behavioral health services to over 15,000 people, but we also got to create our Thrive Within program that provides prevention and early intervention services that support the mental health and well-being of the whole community.
In 2018, the Space Coast Health Foundation had the privilege of moving into the Center for Collaboration. The Center for Collaboration used to be the Space Bowl. We are excited about our new headquarters. We also operate a 5,000 square foot conference venue available for community use.
And maybe just as important, the Center for Collaboration serves as a central meeting place for Brevard nonprofits. We host meetings, seminars, workshops, events to help nonprofits fulfill their mission.
So after 15 years, Space Coast Health Foundation has made great impact on Brevard County with the help of a very supportive board of directors. To date, we've given away over $25 million.
The endowment is professionally managed so that the funds will last forever. That's the goal of the board, to have funds available to distribute to the community for the life of the community, to improve the health and the welfare of its residents.
Space Coast Health Foundation has become a vital part of the Brevard community because we're in a unique position to bring partners together to discuss issues and to create impact in health for Brevard. 15 years, hundreds of partnerships, thousands of lives impacted. That's a legacy worth recognizing.